Until now we learnt about ungrouped data. Now we are going to see about grouped data. Grouped na enna ivlo nero yaar number potane theriyadhu, correct ah? In that now I have the data and the frequency. For this particular data, this is the frequency. For this particular data, this is the frequency. So for each and every data, I have a corresponding value. So in the mari irukumbodhu ivlo nero we were dealing only with x size, so the formulas only included x size. Now fi irukku illaya, so I have this is my xi and this is my fi. Fi na enna f1, f2, f3, f4. I values take different values, okay, from 1 to n. So in that ungrouped data, what did we see? The mean deviation about the mean is the summation of xi minus x bar oda absolute value. In that when f is also included, your formula becomes sigma I equals 1 to n of, you also include fi times xi minus x bar. This does not change, you have to multiply it with xi, the whole divided by, ipa number of terms kadayadu, இந்த இடத்துல fi இருக்கிறதுனால you simply don't write 4. What do? You add all your frequency values, summation of fi. Okay, so this we also call it as n. So in the formula எப்படி இருக்கும்? It will be sigma I equals 1 to n of fi xi minus x bar, the whole divided by n. The small n denotes the number of terms, the capital N denotes the sum of all the frequencies. So f is your frequency. And what is your mean now? Now first ungrouped ku enna mean paathom? Mean you had I equals 1 to n of sigma fi divided by the total number of terms. Now idukku enna paaka porom? This is for ungrouped. For grouped, what are we going to see? X bar is summation of I equals 1 to n of fi xi divided by capital N, where capital N is summation of all the frequencies. Okay, so the mean formula also changes. The mean deviation formula also changes. The median also changes. Median or formula every change agum. We'll see it in the next slide. Please copy. So this is all with respect to the mean. Median every change agum. I'll change this x bar. Okay, so ungrouped data kenna paathom? Mean deviation is xi minus m divided by the number of terms. Now median kenna agum? I'm going to do it for median. I'm rewriting everything. So I have fi xi minus the median divided by the sum of all the frequencies. So in that median change agum. So these are all the changes for median. Okay, median ka adhe formula da. Ivlo nam enna paathom? For n is odd, we have n plus 1 by 2th term. For n is even, wherever we have the even number of observations, we have n by 2th plus n by 2 plus 1th oda mean divided by 2. Okay, you add those two values and you find the average of them, which is divided by 2. Okay, so nothing else changes. Mean ku in the இடத்துல x bar varum, median ku you will have m. Okay, so that is the only change. And the mean formula changes. Median formula does not change. Mean formula changes to fi xi divided by sigma fi. Okay, the fi mattum include panikonga ella edathiliyume in the formula. Okay, you have fi, here you don't have fi. Okay, okay, moving on to example 4. I'm given my values of x and I'm given my frequency. The formula enna paathom? The mean is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi and the mean deviation is this particular formula. Okay, so ipo enna tabular column include pannanom? This is the major step in statistics. Formula la substitute pandradala or periya vishayame kedaiyadhu. Okay, so ipo indha edathila xi fi irukku. What all do I need from the formula? What do you need? What do you see here? I need the summation of fi xi. Appo first fi xi value venulla. Fi xi na I have to multiply each and every value. 2 into 2 plus 8 into 5 plus 6 into 10. இந்த மாதிரி ஒரு value add பண்ணனும். It is not possible, it is not very feasible to write them down in steps. Instead, the tabular column is very, very clear. Okay, so first fi xi. So this is one tabular column that I need. What is the other tabular column? இந்த இடத்துல xi minus x bar இருக்கு. So first x bar என்னன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். x bar க்கு fi xi பண்ணியாச்சு. Sigma fi எங்க இருந்து வரும்? இங்க இருந்து வந்துரும். When I add all these values, it is sigma fi, addition of all these values. So in the formula we have written the tabular column. For this formula, I need fi xi minus x bar. So aduk first xi minus x bar venuma. So I need xi minus x bar oda modulus. Then I need to multiply fi and xi. Illa I need to multiply this column and the values here. So this into this inge venum. This into this inge venum. I need to add all these values because I have a summation, correct? So I have fi times xi minus x bar. So these are the columns that I need. Now let me write the values. fi xi. So in the rendathiyum multiply pannom. So I have 2 into 2 4. 8 4s are 8 5s are 40. 6 into 10 60. 8 7s are 56. 10 into 8 80. 12 into 5 60. Okay, sigma fi xi வேணும். So இதோட summation கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, then I have xi minus x bar. First x bar என்ன? I find out these values. I'll add this. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 10 20, 20 plus 7 27, 27 plus 8 35, 35 plus 5 is 40. Okay, addition la ரொம்ப careful இருங்க. Then in the column 6 plus 4 is 10. I have 1 carry over. 4 5, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 6 16, 16 plus 8 24, 24 plus 6 is 30. So 300 இது 40. இப்போ mean ஓட formula என்ன? X bar is sigma fi xi divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi xi na, it is a summation of all these values, which is this. So it will be 300 divided by sigma fi. Sigma fi na, it is the sum of all these values, which is 40. So 0 0 cancel ஆயிடும். I have 4 7s are 28, 2 4 5s are 20. So 7.5 is my mean. So இப்போ இந்த இடத்துல I need to do xi minus 7.5. So all these values I have to subtract by 7.5. So in the இடத்துல 2 minus 7.5, which is 7.5 minus 2 பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 5.5. It is minus 5.5, but here we are dealing with modulus. So plus 5.5. அப்புறம் 5 minus 7.5. So it will be minus 2.5. இப்போ plus 2.5. Then 6 minus 7.5. Each and every value of xi I have to subtract. So 6 minus 7.5, which is 1.5. 8 minus 7.5, 1.5 கிடையாது. 8 minus 7.5 will be carry over panna, cancel panna, I have 0.5. Okay, so it is 0.5. Then 10 minus 7.5 is 2.5. 12 minus 7.5 is 4.5. Okay, now I need not find the sum of all this. இந்த இடத்துல fi ஓட multiply பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் I need to do the summation. Okay, summation of fi times xi minus x bar is not the same as summation of fi into summation of xi minus x bar. Summation இந்த மாதிரிலாம் பிரிக்க கூடாது. First multiply பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் you have to add all the values. So let me first multiply. So I have fi times this column. இப்போ I need to look at these two columns. Forget about the other columns. So 5.5 into 2. So I have 5 2s are 10, 1 5 2s are 10, 11. So it is 11.0. 8 into 2.5. 8 5s are 40, 4 8 2s are 16, 17 18 19 20. So 20.0. Then 10 into 1.5, which is 15.0. 7 into 0.5. 7 5s are 35, 3 7 1s 7 zeros are, so it will be 3.5. 8 into 2.5 இப்போதான் பண்ணோம், it is 20.0. 5 into 4.5. So 5 5s are 25, 2 5 4s are 20, 22. Now what is the formula? Summation of fi times this. So இதோட summation வேணும் நமக்கு. So when I do the summation of this, 5 plus 5 10, 1 carry over, 1 2, 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 3 is 10, 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry over 1, 1 2 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is 92.0. இப்போ mean deviation ஓட formula substitute பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? Of mean is summation of this, which is 92, the whole divided by sigma fi, which is 40. So இந்த மாதிரி tabular columnல போட்டா you will not miss any values. It will be very very clear for you. Okay, இப்போ 92 divided by 40 பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? 4 டேபிள்ல போகுமா? 4 10s are 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So the mean deviation about the mean is 2.3. Okay.